What if the real reason you're getting weaker has nothing to do with age? You wake up feeling stiff. Climbing stairs takes more effort. Holding a grocery bag strains your arm. Maybe you chalk it up to just getting older. But what if your muscles aren't disappearing because of age alone? What if a hidden deficiency is quietly draining your strength? The truth is shocking. Millions of seniors are losing muscle mass each year, not from lack of exercise or protein, but from missing just one essential vitamin. Today, we will be discussing the critical role this vitamin plays, how its deficiency accelerates muscle loss, and what you can do today to protect your strength, mobility, and independence. Please take a moment and click the like button, and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Also, make sure to stay until the end to learn more about this essential vitamin to help you live a longer and healthier life. Why muscle loss is a hidden epidemic among seniors. Muscle loss is a silent threat. It doesn't show up overnight, it creeps in slowly. One day, standing up from a chair is harder. Then lifting your grandchild becomes uncomfortable. Eventually, walking to the mailbox feels like a workout. This slow and steady decline is known as sarcopenia, the age-related loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength. Sarcopenia statistics begins as early as age 50. Seniors lose 3–8% of muscle per decade after 40. By age 80, many people have lost over 30% of their muscle mass. But here's what most don't realize. Muscle is life. It's not just about strength. Muscle powers your heart, supports your bones, maintains your metabolism, and allows you to live independently. The vitamin that you might be missing from your diet is vitamin D. We often hear about vitamin D in connection with bone health, but this nutrient is just as essential, if not more, for muscle preservation and strength. Why vitamin D is crucial for seniors. Stimulates muscle protein synthesis, helps your body build and maintain lean muscle, supports neuromuscular function, improves balance, coordination, and reflexes, reduces inflammation, slows muscle degradation from chronic inflammation, prevents falls and fractures. Stronger muscles mean more stability and fewer accidents. Unfortunately, over 70% of people over age 65 are deficient in vitamin D, and most don't even know it. Signs you might be low in vitamin D: weakness or fatigue, muscle pain or cramps, slow wound healing, depression or mood swings, frequent falls, trouble standing from a seated position. If you're experiencing any of these, it might not be just age. It could be your body sounding the alarm for more vitamin D. Why are seniors so deficient in vitamin D? Several factors make it harder for older adults to maintain healthy vitamin D levels. Reduced skin production. Older skin produces less vitamin D from sun exposure. Limited time outdoors. Less sunlight means less natural synthesis. Dietary shortfalls. Few foods naturally contain significant vitamin D. Kidney and liver decline. These organs help convert vitamin D into its active form. How vitamin D directly affects muscle mass. 1. Muscle cell receptors. Your muscles actually have receptors that receive vitamin D. These help regulate growth and repair. 2. Calcium regulation. Vitamin D helps calcium get into your muscles, which is essential for proper contraction and relaxation. 3. Prevention of muscle wasting. Chronic deficiency triggers a catabolic state, where your body breaks down muscle for energy. How much vitamin D do seniors need? Experts recommend that adults over 70 get at least 800 IU of vitamin D daily, though many geriatric specialists suggest 1,000 to 2,000 IU is more appropriate for muscle and immune support. The only way to know for sure is with a 25-hydroxy vitamin D blood test. Ideal levels are 30 to 50 nanogram per milliliters. Top vitamin D-rich foods for seniors. While sunlight is helpful, food can also provide critical support. Here are the best sources. 1. Fatty fish: salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. 3 ounces of salmon is up to 570 IU of vitamin D. 2. Egg yolks: One yolk provides about 40 IU, also rich in B12 and choline for brain and muscle health. 3 fortified foods: milk, cow or plant-based, orange juice, breakfast cereals, yogurt. 4 mushrooms UV exposed, the only plant-based source of D2. Half cup equals 300 to 400 IU. Should you take a supplement? Yes, in most cases. Getting enough vitamin D from food and sun alone can be very difficult for seniors. What to look for? Vitamin D3 cholecalciferol, more effective than D2. Capsules or drops, easy to absorb and dose, combined with calcium or magnesium, enhances muscle and bone benefits. Talk to your doctor before starting, especially if you take medications for heart or kidney conditions. How to combine vitamin D with other muscle-supporting nutrients. 1. Protein, needed for muscle repair. Aim for 20 to 30 grams per meal. 2. Magnesium, works alongside vitamin D for nerve and muscle function, found in spinach, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. 3. Calcium, vital for muscle contraction, best from dairy, leafy greens, or supplements. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids, fight inflammation and promote muscle growth. Get from fish or high-quality fish oil supplements. A sample daily meal plan to boost vitamin D and muscle strength. Breakfast, fortified cereal with almond milk, scrambled eggs with spinach, glass of fortified orange juice. Snack, Greek yogurt with chia seeds. Lunch, tuna salad sandwich, side of carrot sticks, water with lemon. Snack, handful of almonds or walnuts. Dinner, grilled salmon with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. Optional vitamin D3 supplement. Movement matters, how exercise complements vitamin D. Vitamin D works best when paired with regular physical activity. Recommended exercises: resistance bands or light weights, 2-3 times per week, walking or swimming. Low-impact cardio to maintain endurance. Tai Chi or yoga. For flexibility and balance, chair exercises. Great for those with mobility concerns. Even 15 to 20 minutes per day can improve muscle tone, stability, and energy. Stories of strength, seniors who made the change. Marjorie, 76, I could barely carry groceries. My doctor said I was low in vitamin D. A few months of supplements and I feel stronger than I have in years. James, 81. After a fall, I added D3, more fish, and started walking every day. I feel steadier and more confident. What to avoid? That drains muscle mass. Inactivity. Sitting for hours leads to muscle atrophy. Excess sugar increases inflammation and speeds muscle breakdown. Processed foods, lacking in nutrients needed for muscle health. Too much alcohol impairs protein synthesis and vitamin D absorption. Look out for red flags and know when to call your doctor. If you experience any of the following, check with your healthcare provider. Ongoing muscle weakness, difficulty walking or standing, frequent falls, muscle cramps or spasms. Vitamin D blood levels below 20 nanograms per milliliter. A personalized plan, including supplementation and rehab, can make a world of difference. The truth about vitamin D, what every senior needs to know for stronger muscles. As we age, staying strong and mobile becomes one of the most important goals for preserving independence. But while most seniors focus on things like exercise or eating more protein, there's one often overlooked nutrient that can make or break your muscle health: vitamin D. Vitamin D is best known for its role in supporting strong bones, but emerging research shows it's also essential for preserving muscle strength, preventing falls, and maintaining overall vitality, especially in older adults. Unfortunately, up to 70% of people over age 65 are vitamin D deficient, and many don't even know it. Why muscle health matters more than you think. Muscle isn't just about strength, it's about survival. After age 50, we begin to lose muscle at a rate of about 1 to 2% per year, a condition known as sarcopenia. By the time you reach your 70s or 80s, it's not unusual to have lost 20 to 30% of your muscle mass. This muscle loss has serious consequences: increased risk of falls and fractures, greater likelihood of hospitalization, loss of independence, slower recovery from illness or injury. In short, your muscles are one of your most important health assets, and vitamin D is key to protecting them. The role of vitamin D in muscle function. So what exactly does vitamin D do for your muscles? Here are the main ways this powerful nutrient supports muscle health. Supports muscle cell growth and repair. Your muscles contain vitamin D receptors, which are like tiny locks that accept the key of vitamin D. Once activated, these receptors stimulate protein synthesis, helping your body build and maintain lean muscle. Improves muscle contraction and coordination. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium absorption, which plays a critical role in muscle contraction. Without enough calcium in your muscles, simple movements like standing, walking, or lifting can feel more difficult or unstable. Enhances balance and neuromuscular function. Vitamin D improves communication between your nerves and muscles, which is vital for coordination and reflexes. This is why low vitamin D is linked to frequent falls in seniors. Reduces inflammation and muscle pain. Chronic inflammation contributes to muscle breakdown. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle soreness, pain, and stiffness, all of which can interfere with mobility. Why seniors are more likely to be deficient. There are several reasons why older adults are at greater risk for vitamin D deficiency. Less time in the sun. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin because your skin produces it when exposed to sunlight. But many seniors spend less time outdoors, and when they do, they're often wearing sunscreen or long sleeves that block UV rays. Reduced skin production. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight into vitamin D. Even 30 minutes of sun exposure may not be enough to meet your needs. Poor dietary intake. Few foods naturally contain significant amounts of vitamin D, and with changing appetites, digestive issues, or medication side effects, many seniors don't get enough through their diets. Medical conditions. Liver and kidney function, both of which decline with age, are needed to convert vitamin D into its active form. Certain medications can also interfere with absorption. Common signs of vitamin D deficiency in seniors. Deficiency often develops slowly, but it can lead to noticeable symptoms over time. Muscle weakness, fatigue or low energy, difficulty standing or walking, aching or cramping muscles, unexplained falls, bone or joint pain, mood changes or depression. These signs are frequently mistaken as normal aging, but they may be your body's early warning system that something's off. How much vitamin D do you need? General guidelines. Adults age 51 to 70, 600 IU, international units per day. Adults age 71 plus, 800 to 2000 IU per day, depending on health status. Many experts recommend higher daily amounts for seniors with low blood levels or at risk of deficiency. Ideal blood levels. Ask your doctor for a 25-hydroxy vitamin D test. This is the best way to measure your status. Deficient, below 20 nanogram milliliter. Insufficient, 20 to 29 nanogram milliliter. Optimal, 30 to 50 nanogram. Your doctor may recommend a short-term high-dose supplement if your levels are dangerously low. Best food sources of vitamin D. Here's a list of foods that naturally contain vitamin D or are fortified with it. Fatty fish D3, salmon, tuna, mackerel. Sardines, 3 ounces of salmon can contain 400 to 600 IU. Egg yolks, 1 large egg contains about 40 IU, also high in choline and B12 for brain and muscle health. Fortified foods, cow's milk and plant-based milk, breakfast cereals, orange juice, yogurt. Check the labels. Most fortified foods contain 100 to 150 IU per serving. UV-exposed mushrooms D2, great for vegetarians. Half cup equals 300 to 400 IU, combining vitamin D with lifestyle for maximum muscle support. Vitamin D works best when paired with other pro-muscle habits, including strength training. Even light resistance exercises can rebuild lost muscle. Try resistance bands, dumbbells, chair squats, wall push-ups. Daily movement. Walking, swimming, or gardening all help maintain balance and coordination. Quality sleep. Muscle repairs happen at night. Get 7 to 8 hours per night when possible. Eat enough protein. Combine vitamin D with protein to fuel muscle growth. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Include chicken, turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, or tofu. Can you get too much vitamin D? Yes, though it's rare, especially from food or sunlight alone. Toxicity usually occurs only with megadoses of supplements, over 10,000 IU daily for months. Symptoms of too much vitamin D: nausea or vomiting, weakness, confusion, irregular heartbeat, kidney stones. Always follow dosage recommendations and get your blood tested regularly. More stories from seniors who reclaimed their strength. Clara, 79, I had no idea I was deficient. My doctor added vitamin D to my routine, and within weeks, I had more energy and my balance improved. Harold, 83, after my second fall, they checked my vitamin D and it was very low. A daily supplement, some salmon dinners, and walking every morning helped me feel like myself again. Quick tips to boost vitamin D naturally. Get 10 to 20 minutes of midday sun on arms, legs, without sunscreen. Eat fatty fish twice a week. Choose fortified drinks and cereals. Take a supplement with your biggest meal. Better absorption. Stay active to keep your muscles responsive. Vitamin D might not get the spotlight like protein or calcium, but for seniors, it's one of the most powerful tools for maintaining strength, balance, and independence. Don't let this silent deficiency rob you of your muscle health. Take charge. Get your levels tested. Add D-rich foods to your plate. Move your body daily. Supplement smartly. Take back your strength one step at a time. Muscle loss doesn't have to be your fate. With the right nutrition, movement, and mindset, you can maintain, even rebuild your strength at any age. Don't let a silent vitamin D deficiency rob you of your independence. Start with a simple blood test. Add more D-rich foods to your plate. Talk to your doctor about supplementation. Move your body every day, even gently. It's never too late to reclaim your vitality. You don't need to accept weakness as a part of aging. With the right support, you can stay strong, steady, and vibrant well into your golden years. Thank you for watching. Please comment below in the comment section and let us know what you think about this video. Also, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and click that like button. Have a great day.